Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Forever 21 gift card balance right from your smartphone. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website and make sure you are logged into your Forever 21 account. Once you are logged in, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. In your profile page, scroll down to the bottom and here you can see the option check your gift card balance, and you'll see a link right beside it. Tap on this link. It will prompt you to the page where you can enter your gift card number and your PIN to check your gift card balance. Now enter your gift card number and your PIN. Once you enter your gift card number and your PIN, here you can see the check balance button. Tap on it, and if the gift card number and the PIN is valid, you'll see your current gift card balance on the screen. And that's it. That's how you can check your Forever 21 gift card balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.